What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alexis Janiece and today we are doing this look right here. Now, when I tell you this look is easy, I mean like this video about to be short, but in a good way, because it's like you're gonna get this, but it's gonna take like this much of your time, so it's good. But before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my newest videos. Okay. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So the first palette that we're going to use is the Masquerade Mini by Juvias. And we are going to use the color, I don't know if I'm saying this right. I don't know if it's Makeda, I don't know. So it's this purple right here. And we're going to go in with a Morphe M576 brush. And we're going to keep that in the corner, the outer corner of our eyes. Okay, so the next color we're going to use, I'm going to use in two colors. This is the Carli Bybel Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm using the color Mandala, right? Okay, yeah, which is this color right here. And I'm going in with a Real Techniques shadow brush, and I'm putting that in the inner corner and dragging it towards the middle, towards the purple, to where they connect. Now to give this color a little bit more like oomph, I'm using the e.l.f. Illuminating Primer Mist Spray, and I'm just spraying my brush a little bit and then going right back into that Mandala color and then adding it to the inner corners. Going back in with that Morphe M576 brush, I'm just gonna blend the two colors together. And then go back in with the Mandala. Back in with this brush. I'm gonna grab a little bit more purple out of the Juvias palette. Makeda. We're gonna stick with Makeda. I like how that sounds. So now with a Morphe MB23 shadow brush, I'm gonna go in with the Carli palette in the color Cindy, and I'm gonna work that in the edges of the purple. And then that Cindy is gonna give it more of a softer look on the edges. So that way it looks more blended out. We don't have any harsh lines. Tell me that ain't easy. Tell me that ain't easy. Should we add liner? Do a little baby wing. Little baby. So the liner I used today is the NYX Vinyl liner. It's a long piece of hair. So I used that liner, and then I went ahead with the Maybelline Stiletto Lash and added some mascara on my lashes, so before I put lashes on, so that way they'll blend better together. I did do a thick liner. You could do a thinner liner. I did a baby wing. You can do a dramatic wing. It is up to you. This eyeshadow is so simple, so it's totally up to you how far you want to take this look. So these are the lashes that I'm going to be using today, and these are a part of my Mood collection. This is in the style Bossy. So if you're interested, you can always go to mindingourbeautyshop.com and check them out. These are my favorite style out of the 5 styles that I have. I also have applicators for you guys. If you do go on the website to buy some lashes, you can get an applicator as well. I normally go back and forth between my applicator and this little pair of tweezers that I have right here to put on my lashes. I like to start with the tweezers and then go back in with the applicator to make sure that they are secure. So now that we have our lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, and then I'll be right back to finish off our lower lash line. And we're back. Okay, so with a Morphe M156 brush, it's just a tight smudge brush, and on the other end, it's like a tight liner brush. I'm gonna go in with that purple from the Juvias place, and I'm going to put that in my lower lash line. Doing the lower lash line was never fun for me. So I like doing my lips on camera with you guys because this is where I struggle the most with any look, because I am a chapstick lip gloss type of girl. Listen, clear. Let me just put on some clear lip gloss and I am out the door. I have lipsticks, but I wear lip gloss every day. So let's see here. Should I do purple? Should I do purple? No. I think we should stay neutral. Let's stay neutral. Let's do that. What is this? Peachy. I knew it. I pick up the same color by Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Peachy. I pick this one up every single time. It never fails. Never fails. Okay, so let's keep that one. Have another one here. This is Sand. I feel like this is just gonna wash. No, that ain't it. Let's see. This one is On Mute. No. I feel like it's like too. No, that ain't it. See, then I have no. This is a cute. Listen, I found this at Sally's. I was just going through the little clearance thing. I ain't never take off the clearance sticker, but that's okay. Okay? Because your girl, when she see them big red signs, we go in there first, and then we can search the rest of the store. Who else does that? I know I'm not the only one that does that. Let's go to clearance first, see what we find, because if we find what we're looking for cheaper, let's get that. Hello. And then we'll search the rest of the store, because we might have some, find some accessories or something that go with our clearance item. I feel like this is close to Peachy. Let's put Peachy on our lips and see what it do. I feel like I'm gonna need to put liner on with this though, because this by itself on my lips, This might work. This might work. Or I can take this on mute and mix them. Yes, honey, yes. Let's do that. Look at that, on mute. Yeah, because y'all done muted out my whole lips. Hello? Am I the only one that do you guys hold your breath when you're trying to do like liner or like wing liner? Even putting on your lashes, do you ever be like, yeah, you do. Because I do. I know I do. So I know I'm not the only one. I better not be the only one that does that. This is not. Okay, let me get my liner. What is wrong with my lips? Like, oh my gosh. This eyeliner, this lip liner is the only liner that I have that is just like the rolly up ones. Jordana is the brand. Easy liner for lips in the color Coco Loco. See, I want check on Amazon. So I added the liner. I took the M156 brush and I used that other side and smudged in my liner, and my lips were just way too dry, you guys. So I ended up using the Summer Vibes lip gloss by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just slapped that right on top. And I feel like this is the same lip that I use every single time. So I'm just gonna call this my signature lip look. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Make sure you like it. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss any of my other videos. Okay, let's be friends, okay? Follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be listed down below. Every single product that I used today will be listed down below, even my face products. I'm gonna make sure that's listed down below if you want to try any of that. Let me know what you guys want to see. Give me some ideas. Comment down below. Give me some. Let my mind work. Okay. Give me some ideas. Give me colors. Give me trends that are going on right now that you guys want to see me do. What you're interested in. If you want to learn how to do something, you're not sure, you want to see how somebody else does it, let me know. I can do that for you. Okay? Because we friends, right? I hope. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.